Just
Uy! Ano nangyari sa'yo? Nagsisikatan.
It's me again, Ken Xavidia, your virtual tour guide of day-to-day adventure. And today we're here at Lamma Island, and we are starting here at Supuan. So we took the ferry ride from Aberdeen to Supuan. So there are two ferries going here to Lamma Island from Aberdeen. That is going to Yongchuan or here to Supuan pier. Today, what we're trying to do is we're trying to look for the Penis Rock, and hopefully we will be able to see the Penis Rock, because the last time we came here, a bit unlucky and couldn't find the Penis Rock. So today we have Kuya Bobot and Lester budging, wearing red, Ate Serena and Jackie still in the toilet. So yeah, it's a bit cloudy today, and I think it's going to rain later, which I am very hopeful that it won't rain. Before finding the Penis Rock, we already find the Lusok Kitchen. To all Bisaya out there, you know what I meant. This is a cemetery passing through. So as you can see, these are abandoned. Whew. Okay, let's go. Nandito na si Lilia. Oh. And Tita Mers is already here.
Nakagtakbo kami kaya doble pa ako.
Grabe exercise, Tita Mers, oh.
Wala na energy. Susan.
Josan. So this is where we came from earlier, from the ferry. So once you reach here at the intersection, we went up earlier to the left side, but we're gonna go up to the right here now, where the somewhat like of a penis rock is. So we're gonna go all the way this side. So I guess we're gonna walk
That one?
all the way there. So there are people on that side there.
Ayun siya Lester, di ba?
So maybe we're gonna pass there too to go all the way up, because we still don't know where the penis rock is. The passage is quite narrow, so it's better if you got long sleeves or some pants on, because look, wearing shorts and it's quite painful. So it's good to have long sleeves and pants, at least to protect your skin. Here. Quite tough. And penis rock is on that side. You can see that. We still need to go up all the way there. Let's go. Okay guys, so we decided to switch to Insta360 because the path that we're passing is quite challenging, and I don't want to bring my camera around with a stick. It's quite heavy, and I feel like it's very prone to falling because of the terrain that we're passing. So this is what I really like about using the Insta360. It's quite handy, small, and easy to carry around, even in this kind of terrain. So we're here at the top, still quite windy, and I can feel the drizzle now. It's a bit misty as of the moment, and you can see the clouds are quite low, so this could be rain coming. Quite misty. So guys, we're here. We just arrived here at the top. Here at the penis rock, you can see this. It looks like a dick. And it's kind of windy as of the moment, but the condition here right now is quite tough because it just started drizzling. So just malayo pa.
Nabuntis na kagad ako, grabe.
So at last we found it after so many years. The last time we came here, we weren't able to find it because we were at the wrong side. We were on that side. So now we took the other ferry that is a lot closer here. So that's where we came down, and we just walked all the way up here, passing through the cemetery.
Isa lang, hindi kaya ng titi.
Pagdating natin dito, nag-ano na agad ba?
Nag-iba na yung
ng
klima.
panahon.
Baba na ba tayo after this?
Baba na tayo after.
Oo.
Okay, it's getting worse now. Heading down now. The Spider-Man, no? Nakuratan man si ate. Gato kag agtate, grabe hapon ni mo ti oy. Naks. Sabi ko bakit nagkagulo na nandun na pala si Lester pa. Enang yan. Kaya pa nagkagulo. Okay, so we came there and we're going back to the pier. So this is the intersection. So reaching here, we're gonna turn left, going down to the pier this way. Okay, so we're back using our camera, the A9, because when we went down, I was still able to fly my drone because the weather got better, but it just started to drizzle again. So I guess I need to keep this camera again inside my bag because I don't want this to get wet, because we don't have a sponsor yet unless